Hello, this is Gayatri, and I'm from a beautiful place called Assam, and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel, Fear to Fluent from bottom of my heart. And I upload content related English in my YouTube channel, and I hope that you all are doing great in your life and your practice is also going great. And I'm also good. My practice is also going great. So, today in this video, I will share how I learned English in just 30 days. Yes, how it was possible. So, if you are a homemaker or a student or a working professional, you want to learn English but you don't have much time because you are laden with a lot of things. You have kids, no, you have to teach them, you have other family members, you have to make food for them, you have so many things. But at the same time, you know that how crucial it is for you, for your growth and for your career. So you don't have much time, but you want to learn English as soon as possible without investing much time. So this video is for you. So this video is going to be very crucial for those people who doesn't have time and want to learn English as soon as possible. So watch this video till the end and you will get to know a lot of things. And I can guarantee you that if you watch this video till the end, you will not have to watch other videos because I'm going to give some practical and most useful and most easiest way to learn English. So let's delve into the main video. Um, I was a big zero. Yes, I was a big zero in English. And I was not from an English medium school. I was born and brought up in a village. My school was also in a village, that was and SMS medium school. That too was a government school. So I have completed my schooling from that school. So now I think you might have got the idea how my journey was. You might, resonate with me a little bit that how difficult my journey was. So definitely it was not a piece of cake. My journey was difficult because I didn't know how to start it, where to start it from, and there was no one to guide me, to show me the right path. At Gayatri, if you want to learn English, you're supposed to do this. And if you are learning or if you are a beginner, you are supposed to avoid this. So I did not get any guidance. There was no one to tell me the correct way to learn English. So what I did was I was learning English from books. Yes, I was learning sentences from books. So back in the day, there used to be a lot of books related spoken English. For example, Learn English in 30 days, Learn English in 60 days, and the Rapidex. So the Rapidex is still with me, and I was learning from those books. Only sentences I was learning. So when I was trying to express my thoughts, my ideas, my emotions, my feelings in English, I was not able to express my thoughts in English. I was struggling to make sentences. Okay. So, what I used to do was I was looking for those sentences in those books which I wanted to, say. And I was not getting those sentences in those books because in your day-to-day life you need a lot of sentences. You keep on doing a lot of things since morning to night. You go to shopping, you make the breakfast, you go to school, you attend a party. There are so many things. If you don't know how to frame sentences, how to make sentences, then how many sentences you can learn from a books? So at some point, I was too tired. Yes, I was too tired and literally I stopped learning. Yes, I stopped learning English because I believe that it is difficult. It is not a piece of, it is not a piece of cake and I cannot speak English. Literally, I lost the hope to learn English because I I was thinking that only those people can speak English who goes in an English medium school. And I was blaming my parents because I was going to an SMS medium school, and my parents, they didn't send me to an English medium school. So I was blaming my parents that why my parents, have sent me to an SMS medium school. If they had sent me an English medium school, I could have, spoken English. Literally, I was blaming my parents. So one day, I was scrolling something on YouTube. Then I saw a video, and that video was regarding tense. So I clicked that video, I watched that video, and then I got to know about grammar, about the importance of the grammar, that how, and why it is crucial for us in order to speak English, in order to learn English. So now I think you might be thinking that why grammar is important in order to learn English, because we have learned our mother tongue without learning the grammar. So grammar is not necessary, it is not important. No, it is important, definitely. So you have to think. So when you learned your mother tongue at that time, I know that you know did not learn the grammar, but you got the atmosphere. Everybody used to speak the same language in front of you, your parents, your siblings, your other family members of the house, your neighbors, in fact, entire state. They used to speak the same language in front of you. So because of that, you didn't have to learn the grammar in order to speak your own mother tongue. So now the main point is you are learning English. Are you getting the same atmosphere which you got when you were learning your mother tongue? No, you are not getting that. No one is speaking English at your home. Your parents cannot speak English. Your siblings cannot speak English. So you're not getting the atmosphere. So whenever you don't get the atmosphere at that time, grammar is important. So now you might think that grammar is boring and it is also difficult for us. In fact, I also don't like grammar. But now I'm head over heels with the grammar because I know that if I learn grammar, then it is going to give me the confidence to make the correct sentences. So I want to say here one thing, that you don't have to delve into the grammar. You don't have to learn a lot of grammars. Seriously. You just have to do one thing, that is, you have to learn only the tense. Okay. But you can also think that, I know about the grammars and all. I know all the tenses. Definitely, you know all the tenses, and you can also frame the sentences, because when I was learning English at that time, I also knew about all the tenses and all, but still, I was not able to, frame the sentences because I only had a little bit knowledge about all the tenses. So now I want you to become pro with all the tenses. You have to master all the tenses, that you can make a sentence without thinking for a second. You have to good. You have to, become that much good with the tenses. And after that, you have to learn a lot of vocabularies and then practice. So if you learn these three things, no one can stop you to become fluent in just 30 days. And trust me, you can become fluent in 30 days. If I can become, then definitely you can also become. If it was possible for me, then definitely it is also possible for you. So you don't have to do a lot of things. Okay, so many people, they say a lot of things, that you have to read books, you have to watch some podcasts in English, you have to listen to music, you have to write, you have to do this, that. No, you don't have to do. If you don't like reading a book, then don't force yourself. There are also other ways to learn English. Reading is not only one thing that if you read, then you can become fluent. If you don't like, then don't read. There are also so many ways to improve your English. So learn all the tenses, and then learn vocabularies, and then practice every single day, and definitely you can become fluent in just 30 days. So that's it for today's video. And if if you become fluent in just 30 days, then come back to this same video and let me know in the comments that you have become fluent. So that's it for today's video, and see you in the next video.